Introducing the Ultimate Home Workout Plan: How to Get Ripped at Home with Minimal Equipment. The Ultimate Home Workout Plan: How to Get Ripped at Home with Minimal Equipment is the ultimate guide to start a practical yet powerful home workout routine without spending a dime on fitness equipment or gym memberships. This blueprint is jam-packed with tips to create a foolproof workout routine and a flexible diet plan that you can follow from your home to get maximum long-term health benefits. If you're tired and frustrated with being stuck at home and want to get in shape without spending a ton of money, then this is the perfect guide for you. Powerful tips and techniques you'll discover in this ultimate guide. Here's what you'll discover in this foolproof guide. How to boost your mental and physical fitness from your home. How to create a diet plan that'll help you get in shape in no time. How to get rid of distractions that are holding you back from your health and fitness goals. How to build a bulletproof mindset to successfully achieve your long-term fitness goals. Easy yet powerful workout routines you can do in your home without any expensive equipment. How to crush depression and low self-esteem with the help of your ultimate home workout routine. How to destroy habits that are getting in the way of you and your ultimate fitness goals. How your home workout plan can improve your social skills and relationships.